What is the main quality needed to study science? Curiosity. What does science help us do? Understand the world around us. What is the first step of the scientific method? Observation. What is a hypothesis? A possible answer or guess. What is an experiment? A test to check if a guess is correct. What do scientists use to find answers? The scientific method. Who can be a scientist? Anyone who follows the scientific method. What do we call the gas form of water? Steam. What is the solid form of water? Ice. What do we get when we melt ice? Water. Which planet supports life? Earth. What causes rain? Water vapor cooling and condensing. What is science compared to in the chapter? A jigsaw puzzle. What do we observe in the night sky? Stars and the moon. What do plants grow from? Seeds. What does a caterpillar become? A butterfly. What do we need to grow? Food and water. What are objects like keys and rulers made of? Different materials. What makes a leaf green? Chlorophyll. What happens when water boils? It turns into steam. What happens to water when cooled? It freezes into ice. What do we call people who explore space? Scientists or astronauts? What keeps a pencil box closed? A magnet. What kind of method is used in science? Step by step method. Is science only done in laboratories? No. Can cooking involve science? Yes. Can we find science on the playground? Yes. What tool is used to measure temperature? Thermometer. What should we do when we don't know something? Ask questions. What should we observe to learn science? Our surroundings. What kind of questions begin science? Why and how questions. What is the water cycle part where rain happens? Precipitation. What is another name for gas form of water? Vapor. What keeps us warm in winter? Warm clothes or warm water. What is the first thing to do if a fan does not work? Check the switch. What grows into a plant? A seed. What gives us light during the day? The sun. What is the method of learning through discovery? Scientific method. What is one man-made material? Plastic. What helps us separate materials? Their properties. What helps us find out answers in groups? Teamwork. What is rain made of? Water droplets. What do we call the study of stars? Astronomy. What is the condition of high body heat called? Fever. Why do we ask why questions? To understand things. What is needed to measure how hot or cold something is? Thermometer. What causes steam to become water? Cooling. What is needed to solve a mystery in science? Observation and testing. What is one thing science helps us improve? Daily life. What is the key to become wise? Being a wise person.